This country is the fastest growing economy in Europe. All major multinationals such as Google, Twitter, Amazon, Facebook, and over 1,000 plus overseas companies have a strategic presence. You get a post-study work visa of 2 years. You all might be guessing it to be the UK, but no, it's not. It's Ireland. Hi everybody, I am Shivang, an incoming master's student at University College Dublin and a student mentor at Leap Scholar. I have received admits from almost all top universities in Ireland in the Business Analytics program, starting with University College Dublin, University of Galway and University College Cork. An increasing number of students are choosing to study abroad. In fact, अगर हम student number की बात करें, the number of people traveling to Ireland for higher education has nearly doubled over the past 4 years from 3,000 to 6,000 now. चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं all you need to know in order to study in Ireland. बट शुरू करने से पहले do hit the like and subscribe button to always stay updated with everything study abroad. Let's start with the Irish education system. The education system is quite similar to the study structure followed in most of the countries. Students who wish to pursue their bachelor's degree in Ireland have a variety of courses to choose from. Generally, an undergraduate course can be completed in 3 to 4 years in full-time modes. Masters including MBAs are 12-month programs which is very similar to that in the UK. Bachelor's के लिए सारी universities will accept 12th grade students from CBSE, ICSE and state boards. And Masters के लिए you will need at least a 3-year bachelor's degree. Ireland is an amazing place when it comes to pursuing a master's in STEM, finance and management related courses. Students who choose to study in Ireland can also expect scholarships to aid with all their expenses. A wide range of private and government scholarships are available to bright minds. Now let's talk about intakes. There are two major intakes. September and January Ireland के major intakes हैं. Indian students के लिए दोनों ही intakes ideal हैं. However, master level students generally prefer the September intake, which is also known as the fall intake, since there are usually a lot more courses on offer. Also, most top universities don't offer the January intake. Now let's talk about some universities and colleges in Ireland. Ireland में there are 34 higher education institutions. Majority are publicly funded universities followed by a few institutes of technology and colleges of education. University College Dublin and Trinity College Dublin are the most popular universities in Ireland, which are ranked within the top 1% of worldwide higher education institutions and are triple crowned institutions having been accredited by AMBA, ICWIS and AACSB International. Some of the other popular universities include University of Galway, University College Cork, National College of Ireland, Dublin Business School and University of Limerick. So what all program options are available? Bachelor's and master's level pay, you can get a variety of options. Masters are either taught or by research. Irish B schools are also well recognized for their MBAs and master's programs. Business analytics, computer science, supply chain management, marketing, management, finance, pharmaceutical and data science are some of the most popular courses when it comes to pursuing a master's from an Irish institution. अब बात करते हैं UG application और documentation की. तो UG level पे apply करने के लिए you would require your academic mark sheets, IELTS score, passport, CV and personal statement. Some institutions might also ask for 2 letters of recommendation and some might have an application fee as well. Indian applicants don't require SAT or ACT scores. Now over to PG applications and documentation. So PG level पे apply करने के लिए you would need academic mark sheets, IELTS score, passport, CV, personal statement or essays, 2 letters of recommendation, other documents which include certifications, internship letters, etc. and WorkEx documents in case you have it. Some universities might also ask for referees, GMAT scores for MBA programs or portfolios for specific courses. Most universities charge an application fee which is in the range of 30 to 60 euros. If you don't have your final mark sheets or IELTS score, you can apply for conditional offer letters as well. Indian students are required to submit their application directly via the university's website. Same is true for undergraduate applications as well. अब बात करते हैं deadlines की. Students should begin applying for admission to the September intake between the months of October and January. The application deadline varies from university to university. It is recommended that you visit their official website to learn about the application deadlines. For instance, University College Dublin and University of Galway is open for applications in the first week of October, whereas Trinity College Dublin starts accepting applications from the first week of November. January intake के लिए start uploading your applications between the month of June and September. Now over to tuition fee, living costs and scholarships. So bachelor's degree की बात करें तो tuition fee in general ranges between 13,000 to 25,000 euros per year or 10 to 20 lakh rupees. For masters, it can cost between 16,000 to 25,000 euros per year or 14 to 20 lakh rupees. Depending on the university and the popularity of the course, the fee structure may vary. Some programs such as medicine, dentistry and MBAs can be generally expensive. Living costs are in the range of 10,000 to 12,000 euros per year, roughly equal to 8 to 10 lakh rupees. ये figures vary करेंगी as per your course, university and the city you live in. Scholarships की बात करें तो Irish Universities offers scholarships ranging between 2 lakh rupees to full tuition fee waivers. The Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship is the most popular scholarship run by the Irish Higher Education Authority, which enables students to study in the country for free.
Now let me take you through the student visa application. Student visa के लिए the documents include proof of enrollment or letter of acceptance, passport, statement of purpose, evidence of financial ability, academic and work documents, PCC, overseas insurance cover, tuition fee receipt and IELTS score. Students usually go on a stamp 2 visa and require 10,000 euros in their primary bank account as has been mandated by the Irish Embassy. Also, you must pay at least 50% of the tuition fee before applying for your visa. Ideally, it is recommended to apply for the visa 3 months before the course start date. You need to pay a single entry visa application fee of 60 euros and in case you are applying for a multi-entry visa, the application fee is 100 euros. The process is fairly simple as compared to other countries such as the US and Australia. अब बात करते हैं part-time jobs and post-study work visas की. The guidelines are rather straightforward. During the academic year, Indian students are permitted to work up to 20 hours per week, and during vacations, they can work up to 40 hours per week. There are numerous part-time jobs available both on campus as well as off campus. You must first receive a PPS number in order to work part-time in Ireland. Your company will not be able to pay you if you do not have a PPS number. Additionally, as the payment may only be made to an Irish bank account, you can choose to open an account with either AIB or Bank of Ireland, which are two of the most popular banks. Average part-time salaries are usually in the range of 12 to 16 euros per hour. Part-time might not cover all your living expenses, but it does bring down the cost substantially. References can play a major role in securing a suitable part-time job. Post-study work visas की बात करें तो you can get a 2-year post-study work visa after completing a bachelor's or a master's degree. Indian students can get PR if they have stayed at least 5 years in Ireland, have a valid work authorization permit and have stable employment.
So are you ready to start your journey? Hope this video has answered all your queries. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them. But before you leave, hit the like and subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. For more such informative videos, keep watching Leap Scholar.